Well, most time is spent in model space. I'll quickly go view and background colour and turn it to white. Most of your time is spent in this space, but gCADPlus enables you to set up a whole series of views. These are created under Format and Layout, so if we click that, we can get a list of the layouts already in this drawing. There are architectural A and C size sheets and so on are already there, and to create a new one, just click there and you would then select your page. We've got a wide range of sheet sizes there in both metric and in imperial. So let's close from there and we'll look at the tabs alongside the word model at the bottom of the drawing area or the design area. So if we click on the tab landscape plan, we go straight to the landscape plan, and you'll notice that as we zoom in that details of the client residence and the designer's name and logo and so on have been placed in this model space. We can also look at, this is a very big site and it's in decimal feet, been drawn in decimal feet, so it's a USA drawing. Let's just go back to the model and we use the distance command. We'll just measure roughly across the site. You can see it's 196 feet across, so it's a very large site, and putting in a symbol like a car gives your users some sense of scale. So let's go back here to the landscape plan and right click and zoom extents to see the whole drawing, but you can see we're missing an easy or convenient view, so we could go to another tab, entrance tab. So here we're looking at the dwelling and some custom paving that's going to lead to the front door. You set up on layout space views of your design by simply double clicking, and you get this little magenta box, and we can move it around. I could, for the sake of argument, move it down and then right click and say display on the layout, and there we've changed our view. Now we can see the driveway and the entrance. We could make it as more zoomed in if we wished by cramping our magenta box down and setting it up like so and displaying that. So you can see you can magnify any part of the drawing, so it's not uncommon to have several of these sheets, these layout sheets showing. Here's one just showing the plant list, which is automatically generated from the gCADPlus drop down menu, and using the options here you generate and draw that schedule. It can be a standard schedule or one with custom information in it. You can also show on layout sheets photos of your design, but let's go back to the model and right click and zoom extend. So everything in your design is drawn in model space. You'll spend most of your time here, but everything is full size. So if you're working on a metric drawing, you might bring in symbols that are about a metre in canopy diameter. Then you may wish to scale them. In the imperial system you might bring in symbols, they'll be 3 feet wide, and again you can scale those to set size. Let's zoom in here and just show how symbols are scaled. We'll pick this one here, right click, select scale, click in the middle, move out to the edge and just drag out to increase the size of that particular symbol.